Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Clash Royale account. So first, head into your App Store or Play Store. Then search for Clash Royale. After searching for Clash Royale, install this application. And as you can see, I have already finished installing the game application. Now I want you to click the play button here. And as you can see, after few loadings, it will introduce us inside the game, where you have to select your age. Now accept this all, and then play this practice game, or finish this practice game. Now after finishing the practice games, you have to create your player name, or your name. Then click the OK. And as you can see, we have completed creating our account in Clash Royale. And that's how you can create an account in your Clash Royale. And thank you for listening.